Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
So, mock test number 2. All right.
Mock test number 49.
Yeah,
Still hasn't controlled a stop.
take 2. That's it. Okay.
So,
All right. So, before we go, then, what we'll do is we'll go through the show me, tell me questions again.
okay.
Okay. All right. Just turn the engine off for me for a second. That's fine. Can you tell me how you would check that all your indicators, direction indicators, are working?
Would you test them?
Yeah. How would you test them though?
So turn the engine on, and then flick it up and down.
Okay. So can you tell from in here?
Oh, would you get out and look?
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
you
Yeah.
can have a look around.
Okay. I thought you meant on the. I forgot that was showing outside of the car.
Okay.
So you do it and then get out and look at them.
Yeah. Okay. But you wouldn't do it with that.
Right.
What would bring them all on?
I'm not sure.
That one.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't it? Yeah. The hazard warning lights.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just press that, have a look around, and
Check
then,
if they're all
then away
working.
you go.
I was saying it would be a bit. Do one up, check that one. Do one up, check the other one.
Yeah. Check all
Bit
right.
annoying. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So again, we'll do a show me one on the way. All right. Okay. On the drive. In the meantime, we'll drive out to the car park, and we'll turn right to go down Brookside.
That way.
Towards Rugby Road. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Oh, keep forgetting the engines.
Get to the traffic lights at the end of the road here, turn left please. It's going to turn left onto Rugby Road, not the service road. Take the next road on the right then please.
On the right?
Yeah. End of the road, turn left. Now we're just going to pull in and park on the left, just along here. so this will be the controlled stop. Okay. I just like to drive along the road as you normally would, and at some point I'll give you the signal to stop. When I do that, I need you to stop immediately and under full control, as though a child had stepped off the road in front of the car, off the pavement, sorry, onto the road in front of the car.
Stepped off the car?
Okay, stepped off the car, onto the pavement, that's it. And yeah, so don't worry about what's behind you in this section, because I will check over my shoulder. You drive on when you're ready then, please. Thank you. I won't ask you to do that again.
Thank you.
So when we get to the end of the road, going to turn left. And when we come to the end of this road, we're going to turn left again, road, I'm going to turn right, please. This road, turn left, please. Okay, just pull in and park on the left, please, just around about here. So this is going to be the independent driving part.
You're going to tell me I failed then. I was freaking out. Okay, sorry,
okay.
go on.
Just the independent part of the test, independent driving.
Okay.
You see there's a roundabout ahead of us.
Yeah.
We're going to follow the signs for the A5
Okay.
north.
Right.
Okay. All right. So according to the sign there, okay, we're going for the A5 north.
Right.
So if you just keep following those signs, and I'll ask you again later. Okay. Just when you're ready. Just pull in and park on the left, please. Just in a safe place. Okay. So, turn the engine off. Just put it on. Just put the electrics on for me. That's it. Just put it on one click. That's it. Brilliant. Okay. Yeah. So. Guess what?
Failed.
Yeah.
Why?
Where?
I don't know.
Okay. So we followed the A5 north.
Was it when I nearly came off the wrong way?
Yeah, we did come off the wrong way. That's the thing.
But you said to go down that way.
Well, you see now this is a good point. Okay. So we were following the A5 north. So
right.
You could see on the sign
right.
that it said A5 north is right. Or could you? Because you got yourself in the right-hand lane on approach to the junction.
Yeah.
On to the roundabout. Okay.
Yeah.
So the A5 north is the one that goes to Nuneaton.
Right.
The A5 south is the one that goes to Milton Keynes.
Right.
Okay. So you've got yourself in. You're in the right-hand lane there.
So I should have been in the middle lane.
No. So you're in the right-hand lane, which is the exact lane that you should be in. We'll go
right.
around it again in a second. Okay. So you can see it. All right. So there's a right-hand lane, there's a middle lane, and a left lane. So a left lane. So 1, 2, 3, like that. Yeah?
Right.
Okay. So you've started off in lane 3 to go around the roundabout.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you've ended up in lane 1
Right.
to go off.
Okay.
to Milton
Got ya.
Keynes, yeah. Now that would be okay
Right.
if you checked the mirrors
Yeah.
and made sure that it was the same. Because what
Okay.
you've done there is you've crossed 2 lanes.
Yeah,
Really.
yeah.
Okay. And it was quite busy at that time.
Yeah.
So you've kind of fitted yourself in.
Okay.
And where I said to you, you know, stay in this lane, just go off there.
Mhm.
Whatever I said, well, just go off there. It's because you're now in that lane.
Right.
Okay. So you're in the wrong lane, and always the best advice is once you're in that lane, just stay in that lane.
Okay.
And let it take you
Right.
off. Okay. That's the safest thing to do.
So I should have just followed it round.
Yes.
Instead of going, right, I got
like
you.
that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's because in my brain I was thinking it was going off another way, and I was like, wait, I should be in that lane over there to go down there, but then I was like, I don't know.
And
But-
to be fair to you, we haven't been round that one yet. We've been to Wolvie, didn't we?
Yeah, that's where I thought I was going. Yeah.
But the Wolvie is the next one along, isn't
Yeah.
it? Well, it's a couple along.
Yeah,
actually, yeah. Because there's motorway and then there's J5 North to Nuneaton.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, but you can see that. You can see why that would.
Yeah,
be,
definitely.
Or can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's not the fact that you changed lanes really, although you shouldn't do that. It's that
Just
there
I
was no
wasn't
mirrors.
careful about it.
Weren't careful about it.
Yeah.
You were just looking at where you were going.
Got ya.
Okay. All right. So, unfortunately, on this occasion, Miss
Stop
Carter,
saying that to me. It's horrible.
I shall turn this off now.
Yeah.